Hello viewers, I'm Dr. Karim, pharmacist and supply chain analyst. In SAP MM module, today I'm going to tell you how to create an Asset purchase requisition and purchase order for services. Now you can heard about that for services. There has been, if the finance department has been capitalized that budget, they have been issuing you an asset ID. Now you have to be create a PR and PO in asset, and in asset we can use service items. Now how you can do this, that I have been check you. Okay, for PR we have been selecting for creation ME51N. ME51. Now here we can use PR asset. A for asset. We in this A section we can use A asset. In I we have used every time service, as we making a asset PR against a service. Mention all these one categories. Plant, mention the plant. Storage location, what is your storage location, mention storage location. Purchase group, mention your organization purchase group. Material group, you can mention your material group. Mention the material groups you have been selecting, either is a repair, is a building repair, whatever it is that. I've been mentioning building repair. Now here we can see service, it's open automatically, service mentioned here. Now I have been choose whatever you have been want to. Service by sub items. In service by sub item, this all the list has been mentioned. Select that one, anyone you have been want to add. Installation charges, gross price, actually net price. Gross price is actually unit price you have for a quantity. Now mentioning a quantity. Asset ID which has been issued by finance department, mention that asset ID. Okay, after you have been mentioning the asset ID, just press enter. Go back, mention in short text what you want to be, what type of you have been creating a PR. I have been mentioning installation, whatever is the installation of glass door. It has been ready, this PR has been ready now for asset services. During the creation of PR using ME51N, after selecting the asset PR, just press enter. System automatically tell you which column you have to be mentioned, like the material group, plant, storage location, purchase group. Now after that we have just click the checkbox. Checkbox as has been ready for release. This has been shown here. Now just save that the PR has been created. Now we have to release this one, ME54N. ME54N is used after the creation of PR. Is the approval which you have been mentioned as per your organization, as has been initiated in release that everyone is saved. That one is okay, it has been saved. Now the purchase requisition has been created. ME51N is for creation of PR, ME52N is for edit, ME53N for display, ME54N is for release, and ME54N is also used for edit purpose. If it has been released but you want to edit that PR, then we can use directly ME54N. Now we can make a PO, ME21N, select that one, asset PO, mention the vendor name, purchase organization. Now we select here, adopt that one, purchase requisition, execute, adopt that one. Yes, these are just one item, it has been mentioned there, 10. Just adopt this PR. System has been automatically adopted PR. In status it has been showing the amount which you have been going to be ordered. Quantity is 1, total amount is 17,000. I have been checked, is okay, there is no any issue. If the red has been shown, that means there has been issue in the PR or in PO, as there has no any issue has been shown. Now here just tap. Now this is the section where you have been mentioned text. When you have mentioned here any of text, the system automatically mention all the specifications in the PO. Just mention all this, whatever the specification you have against that item. I have been mentioned the text, installation of 12 mm glass door, whatever is there with labor charges. Just go back. Now is okay, just save that, save this asset PO. The asset PO has been created, it's done. Now we have to release ME29 and ME29N is being used to release this PO. Z underscore PO is for release of the, as I have been using local, it has been shown black, as this is a service PO. We select this service PO, go back, print now, print preview. Yes, this has been written all the specifications, service names, installation check. Just print this PO. Thank you. I am Dr. Karim.